Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Man. Today I'll show you how to remove background shadows in Photoshop. First, get into Photoshop and choose the image. Then click on the Select Subject button with my image layer selected to select my person from the photo. Now click on the new layer icon and then click on the layer mask icon to apply the selection area of our subject onto this new layer mask. Now to use the patch tool, we're going to click on our image layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Double click on the layer name and call it to patch. Now with the patch layer selected, activate the patch tool by clicking inside of the toolbar. Here, you'll find it within the spot healing brush tools, the remove tool, and then the patch tool right here. Now click and drag roughly around the shadow that you want to remove. Go now with our selection area, defined with the patch tool. We'll be able to click and drag from this selection area to define a new area of the photo that we want to replace those contents with. So move to the other part of the wall and make sure that the cement area is lined up at the bottom so that the line continues in a straight line. Here I'm just painting over the area that I want to remove and press enter on keyboard. That will easily remove the shadow. If you're unsure how the remove tool works, just go down to the edge of the cement and just go and paint over the shadowed bits with the remove tool. Press enter to remove them and then do the same thing over any bumps in the horizontal line. Press enter and it will smooth out everything. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.